Hey cruisers, are you wondering what to expect when visiting Victoria, British Columbia, Canada on your next Norwegian cruise in 2022? Here's a quick look. The outside temperature was a cool 52 degrees Fahrenheit when we arrived at 7:30 in the evening in early May. Grab your stateroom card, photo ID, vaccination card, and ArriveCan QR code before heading off the ship. A quick facial scan and you'll be allowed off the ship and onto the gangway. Follow the signs that will lead you to the tour and shuttle buses. If you're not going on a tour, to the left follow the walkway to a souvenir and gift shop. Behind the gift shop are restrooms and a large tent that normally houses many vendors. The vendors will hopefully return later in the cruise season. After you're done exploring the area, walk back to the ship, dock to Pier A where NCL docks. There's another gift shop just before the security checkpoint. At the security checkpoint, show your stateroom card and photo ID. To reboard the ship, the crew will scan your face on the facial scanner and scan your bags through the X-ray machine. Watch this video to learn about visiting Juneau, Alaska.